Hi, everybody. Meteorologist Joe Cioffi here. Weather in 5 days in 5 minutes. Brought to you by Omni True Value Hardware, where you can get all the stuff you need to get you through this winter, including rock salt, and they have the best prices in the tri-state area, given the shortage that's out there. So give them a call at 631-756-1125. They're at 1226 North Wellwood Avenue in West Babylon, New York. And the website is omnitruevalue.com. Wholesale Holiday Lighting by Giannini, your complete holiday lighting specialist, meeting all your decorating needs, whether it's to have your home decorated or maybe you want to do this as a business, or maybe this is your business. You can give them a call at 631-957-5106. They're at 162 Ocean Avenue in Lindenhurst, New York. Both businesses are on Long Island, and the website is liholidaylighting.com. Really a beautiful day up and down the eastern seaboard, with the exception of maybe northern Maine. It's cloud-free all the way down into northern Florida and west to the mountains. Just beautiful blue skies and sunshine. Out to the west, we have a system in the northern plains that's moving east to the Great Lakes. That's going to pass by to our north tomorrow and Friday and set the stage for another shot of cooler air to come down from the north. Meanwhile, all the action is out in the west. We have a big storm off the west coast and up into the Gulf of Alaska, and pieces of that storm are going to be coming inland. One piece has already moved inland. Another one follows tomorrow, and then the strongest part of this is going to come on Sunday. Big rains forecast there. So while the action is going on in the west, and you see it there on the radar, in northern Oregon and Washington state, some heavy rains there, and some showers down into northern California. Much of the country's pretty quiet. We've got some showers and even a few rumbles of thunder in parts of the northern plains and extending into Wisconsin and northwestern Illinois. Also a little bit of shower activity in northeastern Michigan. But again, much of that, because of the way the jet stream is lined up, this is all going to wind up passing by to our north in time with this next system. So I'm not expecting anything of consequence, really, as far as precipitation is concerned over the next day or two. In fact, if you look at WPC's forecast rainfall map here, we're seeing that their rainfall amounts are generally at about 1/10 to 1/4 of an inch, and in some places right along the immediate coast, 1/4 to 1/2. And also you see heavier rains back western PA, back westward into the middle and upper Mississippi Valley and the Great Lakes on the order of 3/4 of an inch to 1.5 inches. And then take a look out in the west, well down into Southern California. We're seeing rains there and big rains in central and northern California on up the coast through Washington and Oregon. Several to many inches will be falling in the next 7 days. Now, not much is going on with respect to severe weather, so we'll just move on to the latest run of the GFS model. And what we're going to see here is, of course, the rest of today is fine and dandy, with sunshine and a west wind and temperatures in the 70s. I think we'll hold that for most of Thursday. Here's that next front, which tomorrow evening will be running down through central Pennsylvania and into the mountains of eastern Tennessee. There will be some showers and thunderstorms getting into western and central PA. This is where the Storm Prediction Center has a marginal risk of severe weather, but we have no severe weather risk here. Tomorrow, we won't see anything dayside. Tomorrow night, when the front goes by, there might be whatever's left of that shower and thunderstorm activity winds up being a passing shower. That'll be about it. And the vast majority of the area from eastern Pennsylvania to southern New England down to northern Virginia really won't see much of anything. This front's going to hang a little bit on Friday. You can kind of see it here. It is not going to cause too many problems. I went for no worse than partly sunny skies on Friday with temperatures in the upper 60s and low 70s. It's actually waiting for an upper trough to swing east and a second front to push it offshore, which it will do on Saturday. But there could be a couple of scattered showers. I left that in the forecast. This latest run of the model is really not showing much of anything for Saturday, so I might back off on that if that trend continues. And I'm going to hold on to the idea that Sunday should be fine. One of those Pacific storms is moving eastward, what's left of it anyway. You can see it there in central Kansas. This is Sunday morning, which should be nice and dry across much of the area. As the day progresses, we're going to see that rain area push eastward. I think the GFS here is being a little overzealous and pushing the rain too far east. This is by Sunday evening at 8 o'clock. It really kind of runs it eastward like a rocket ship from Illinois and down into Kentucky Sunday morning, and then suddenly it's all over the place by Sunday evening. I think the day side Sunday should be okay, and that rain may probably hold off even longer and not get in here to maybe later on Monday. The European was a lot slower with this, and some of the other models too, also a lot slower. We're going to try to figure this thing out. The second front coming through kind of gets hung up, and that's the reason why we're seeing some rain being indicated here coming in as early as Sunday evening. But I think there's a fair chance that it could hold off and that the weekend overall should be okay. Again, just a couple of scattered showers on Saturday, and Sunday sunshine and maybe some arriving clouds. We will see changes in temperature. Look for Saturday temperatures probably in the 60s, and Sunday will see temperatures probably not get out of the 50s, and that could linger into Monday as well, depending on what kind of weather we'll be seeing. And we'll update all of this tonight on the Joe and Joe Weather Show at 7:30 Eastern Time. Weather in 5 brought to you by Wholesale Holiday Lighting by Giannini, your complete holiday lighting specialist, meeting all your decorating needs at 162 Ocean Avenue in Lindenhurst, New York. And their number is 631-957-5106. The website is liholidaylighting.com. Omni True Value Hardware at 1226 North Wellwood Avenue in West Babylon, New York, 631-756-1125 for the best prices in town. OmniTrueValue.com. Let's just do a real quick check here of the tropics, which have really gone silent. And I think they may stay that way, at least for a little while. Tropical cyclone formation in the Atlantic is not expected anytime during the next 5 days. We do have a system that's likely to become a tropical storm out in the Pacific in the coming days, and that's going to be moving northwest parallel to the coastline, but not seeing that really having much impact. Some of that moisture may eventually get drawn up northeastward with a deep trough off the west coast. You get these systems that develop out here. Sometimes they'll take a right turn and they'll bring some of the rain in to the northeast and eventually up into Texas and into the plain states. But we're not really overly concerned about this at the moment. Otherwise, it's just an absolutely gorgeous day. So do enjoy it, and we'll see you tonight at 7:30 Eastern.